In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly open any GitHub repo in Visual Studio Code. We're going to move from a GitHub repository page to editing that code in Visual Studio Code in just a few clicks. This workflow is great when you want to browse code, make quick edits, or explore a project's structure without setting up a full local environment. Start in your browser on GitHub and open the repository you want to work with. You should be on the repository's main page, where you can see the file list, the README, and the toolbar above the files. Make sure you're on the correct repo and branch you intend to open. Next, look for the green Code button near the top of the file list. Click it to open the dropdown. This menu provides several ways to work with the repo. For our purpose, focus on the option that opens the project in Visual Studio Code. Choose Open in Visual Studio Code. GitHub will then open the repository in the web version of VS Code, hosted at GitHub.dev. You may see a quick loading screen while it prepares the workspace. This is Visual Studio Code running directly in your browser, which means you can navigate files, read code with full syntax highlighting, and make lightweight edits without installing anything. As the editor initializes, you'll likely see a few on-screen prompts or highlighted callouts guiding you through the interface. Follow these highlighted prompts to proceed. Depending on your browser and account settings, you might be asked to continue in the browser, allow the page to open, or confirm trust for this workspace. It's normal to see a brief tour pointing out the Explorer, Search, Source Control, Run, and Extensions panels on the left. Click through each highlight to continue. These guided hints are there to make sure you know where everything lives in the editor. Once you've clicked through the highlights, your repository is fully open in VS Code for the web. The Explorer on the left shows the project's folders and files. Click a file to open it in the main editor area. You can use the Search panel to find symbols or text across the repo, and the Source Control panel to view changes if you start making edits. If you prefer, you can dismiss the tour once you're comfortable. That's it. You navigated to the repository on GitHub, clicked the Code button, selected Open in Visual Studio Code, and followed the on-screen highlights to land inside the editor. It's a fast, dependable way to jump into any repo and start exploring or editing right away. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!